What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video, and today we got something a little different. Today we got an unboxing of the Altec Lansing Fury XL speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. As some of you guys may know, I'm a skateboarder, and we like to listen to music sometimes when we're riding, and when I'm working on the car and stuff like that. I like to listen to music, or on the scooter and stuff. Truthfully, I've been using this when I've been riding the scooter, and when I'm working on my car. It's been pretty decent. My other speakers kind of took a shit on me. I have an Altec Lansing pair of over-ear headphones that I've been using, and I wanted to see if these were going to be any good. So I went ahead and picked it up from Ross. I didn't pay full price for it, so I'm not sure what it retails for, but I paid, I think, around $30. But oh yeah, shit, I already cut the side. But it says it's got 15 hours of battery life, IPX4, true pairing, 30-foot range, voice assistance, blah blah blah. Let's see here. Like, the unboxing experience is pretty good. Like, the box is pretty cool. Like, this is the speaker. Let's see, underneath this thing, what comes here is like another box, like another weird box. Get rid of this thing. It comes with a wire, like charging wire, some stickers, instructions that we're all not going to read, and that's about it. Alright, let's get this shit out of here. Okay, the speaker itself, it's got all its controls: power, minus, plus, play. It's got this from shipping, but it's got four rubber grommets on the bottom, Altec Lansing logo, and like your charging port. It's got a little cover to keep the water out from rain and stuff like that. I haven't tested if it's waterproof or anything, but I've tested the sound and the range. It has decent range. It doesn't feel like super premium. Like, it feels kind of the sound, like, I would play music, but because of YouTube's copyright bullshit, like, I'm not gonna play anything. It's got two clip points here on the ends that are pretty cool. Like, it has one on each side. The sound, it's all right. It's got like decent highs and mids, but the bass is like, it's lacking for sure. If you listen to a lot of metal or a lot of talk radio, these might be good for you. If you listen to anything bass heavy, like I would say like any rap or any like dubstep or electronic music like that, you're probably gonna want to get something more like Skull Candy, or something that's a little bit different. It's just, yeah, these are definitely mid and like high oriented. It's not gonna be for people that are looking for deep bass. It doesn't have like a full sound. Like, it's definitely a little lacking. But as far as, like, if they put bass in this thing would knock it out of the park for the price. But I mean, durability wise, like quality wise, it's good for the price. If I had to pay $80 or something for this, would I be happy with it? Probably not. To be honest, if I had to pay full price for this, I'd probably be a little bit upset. I would want something with a deeper, like fuller sound. It feels like a little, like almost someone's like talking in a can, if that makes any sense, because I think the material has something to do with it too. And it just being so high and mid like oriented, it just feels to me like just, so it feels very lacking in that department. But yeah, I guess that's my review on this thing. The battery life, it hangs in there, it's pretty good. But yeah, I've 1 to 10, I would give it probably a 6. It's, yeah, it's just kind of mid-grade, I would think. But that's gonna be it for this review, you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, just drop a sub. But until next time, stay safe out there. Later.